Today we're going to be replacing the fuel rail pressure sensor, or the P0193 code, on a 2007 Ford Mustang. All you're going to need for this job is a T30 star hex. So all you really have to do is unplug this and take out these two screws. Now this connector, it just has a little push down and pull out. So push down, pull out. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now that you got that out and those two screws, you're gonna pull this out and disconnect this. A little bit of fuel may leak out, so I have a napkin here. Okay, there's that. And then you just disconnect this. Come on. Alright, there you go. Here's the old one, here's the new one. It actually doesn't look too bad in shape, but I mean, I have that P0193 code, so most common thing is the sensor went out. Wires are fine, so that's gotta be it. But anyway, that's the side by side. Okay, so just put it in the same way you took it out. Put that little tube over here and push that back in. Okay, just put this little plug back in, and that's it.